Why bother going on a vacation in the summer or going to the cottage when you can just come home? Seriously, this place feels like either a resort or somebody said it feels like a little village, and it really does. You're just steps from shops, restaurants, public transit. There's great guest parking. It's its own little resort right here, and we're on the far west side of Ottawa in Bridlewood and Canada. Come and have a look. You're really, really going to like this place. I love it.